Hello my lovelies, welcome back to another video of Clarity Random, and today I'm going to show you a much simpler and an updated everyday makeup look. Enjoy! So I will be starting with my regular foundation. Today I'm using a regular Revlon foundation. By the way, I don't use any liquid foundation anymore because I find that whenever I use a liquid foundation, it clogs my pores and I usually have breakouts whenever I use it every day. And so I just try to refrain using liquid foundation, and for a few months now, I haven't had used any liquid foundation at all. After I prep my skin with my moisturizer, I just use my regular foundation on my face, and I have observed that it actually is clearer and better. But of course, you can always use a liquid foundation. It's just that this is my realistic everyday makeup routine already. And of course, I'm just gonna go back on the areas that are red. Make sure that they are somehow concealed by the regular foundation that I am using. So aside from not using liquid foundation, I am not using concealer as well. So I just go back to those parts that are red or darker. Then I will be using my blush on. The color that I picked is a mix between the peach and the browns. And I'm just gonna apply it across my cheeks, of course including the tip of my nose, and just making it look like I'm just naturally blushing. I have been using this trick for about a year now, and I'm actually loving it because it just looks natural. For now, I wouldn't be overwhelmed by the feeling of putting a lot of blush on yet, and so I'm just gonna go back at that later, but I just want the colors to somehow pop for now, and I'm just gonna add later if I feel like I needed more of that. The rest of the product from the blush on that I've used will also be dabbed on my chin and on my forehead. And then I'm just gonna curl my lashes. So this is a very quick everyday makeup look. This is something that would be appropriate especially for high school or maybe college students. I make sure to curl my lashes really well because this makes my eyes really open up, makes it look like I'm fresh, just woke up but looking fresh. And then I'm gonna use my mascara after I curl my lashes, and I wouldn't overdo the lower lashes. Just make sure my upper lashes are on fleek. And using the same mascara, the left out from whatever I used for my eyelashes, I'm just gonna brush off my eyebrows. Just make sure that the eyebrows are going on the same direction as much as possible so they wouldn't look like wild grasses. And of course, the last step is just putting my favorite lipstick at the moment. This is from L'Oreal, so I'm just gonna use my hands to clear that a little bit and spread the product on my lips, and whatever is left, I'm just gonna use it as an additional blush on. So that is it. Very easy using minimal makeup products, something that most of you have. I like it simple these days, and I hope you like this makeup look on me. I hope you try it as well. I'm no pro. If you have comments, please do make sure to write it down below, and if you like to watch more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. See you in my next video, guys, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!